When people think of JCP, we want them to think of quality, high level of service, and excellence.
And if we pay attention to that and make sure that their dream or their vision comes true, then it's a win-win situation.
One thing that our father taught us is hard work. He worked at a factory for almost 40 years and probably missed less than a dozen days.
And that pays off for our clients with the JCP promise, delivering projects on time and on budget. Our first project was a small one. It was a beam replacement for a condo project, actually like a block away from here.
And now we're working on projects, hundreds of millions of dollars.
Building the new Bucks Arena has been transformational. Unlike anything that's been here before or in any other city, JCP has been a big part of the arena. Trust is the base of every partnership and relationship that works, and because they're successful, they obviously do that well.
When you walk up these stairs, that's part of JCP. We did that.
There is JCP investment and effort that shows throughout that building. To really have principals, to be hands-on, in the weeds, in the project with you is invaluable. I think from day one in meeting these guys, they've been personalized, they've been totally honest, they are ingrained in the city of Milwaukee. And I'd be honest with you and tell you I leverage them more than they could probably ever leverage me in really socializing and ingraining myself in the community of Milwaukee. They're good guys.
Trust and integrity are the foundation of our business.
Here is phase one.
Whenever you are dealing with a client or a customer or even employees, they know that what you say is what you're going to deliver.
That's how we're able to build relationships and grow the relationships we have, by having a track record of meeting commitments that we do make. It does put us in a different league of businesses.
The Northwestern Mutual Tower and Commons project was the largest construction Milwaukee had seen in decades. And the scope of the work that we needed to have done and the talent that we needed to have was huge. Having a firm like JCP that is actively focused on growing the diversity of their workforce was really important to us and gave us the benefits of a quality project, growing the skill of Milwaukee residents, all at the same time. They brought the value, they brought the quality, they brought the process and the discipline that we needed to have on a project of this size. I have watched them reinvest in their business and reinvest in others in Milwaukee, and that's what's impressive about JCP.
My biggest thing is to try to grow our neighborhood around us. Whenever we hire apprentices, we're not just giving them a job, we're actually giving them a career, giving them skills that they can learn with. When they have those skills, they can go anywhere.
The company actually started in a small apartment, which happens to be our parents' apartment on 2nd and Locust. It feels good to know that we're a beacon of light or hope in the community here in Milwaukee. To let them know that you too can come from 2nd and Locust, doing a rough time, grow up, and create a company that actually employs people.
I came out publicly and made this statement. Any African American business that meets our standard will have the chance to work on this building. In my mind, only one company met the criteria to be the general contractor, and that was JCP Construction. It's important because we needed to send the message that Bader Philanthropies want to be a neighbor. We came here to be a partner in the growth of this neighborhood. And that is part of JCP's mission too, because they grew up here and they want to see this neighborhood develop. When an African American construction company is hired by the Bucks, is hired by Northwest Mutual, that tells me that they have the confidence of the greater community. It's a huge deal. This is a multi-million-dollar contract led by three brothers. You can talk as much as you want. You could draw as much as you want. Somebody better build it. And they built it. The wall that you see on the north end of this building is brand new. They were responsible for taking down the old and putting up the new. It is very seamless with the 100-year-old building because they listen. They listen to what we want.
At JCP Construction, we take pride in our work.
Whenever we finish a project or we pour concrete and we put our stamp down, we just know that it's going to be down there for years to come.
We are actually putting our stamp on Milwaukee's skyline and look forward to many projects to come in the future.